Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down just a bit, click on Phone Ringtone and Vibrate, and then click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you finished, go back. Now scroll all the way down and select More Sound Settings at the bottom. Then click on this switcher next to Vibration on Touch to switch on or off haptic feedback for touches, keyboard, and more. And last but not least, tap on haptic feedback vibration duration. Now you can adjust vibration duration by swiping left or right on this slider. Discard your changes by tapping on Cancel. Save them by hitting Apply. Or going back to original settings by tapping on Default in the middle. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!